Welcome to SERV Commerce. Today we're going to walk you through our powerful platform designed specifically for home service trades. Our platform is designed to automate your business by improving and streamlining communication with your customers. First, let's take a look at the Message Center. This is where all of your incoming customer messages are displayed. You can see the message details and respond to the customer directly from this screen. We'll support messages inbound to this number from SMS, MMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Business Messenger. Now, let's move on to the customer screen. Here you can see all of your current customers and their details. If you want to see more information about a particular customer, simply click on their name to view their details. Next, let's take a look at the jobs screen. Here you can see all of your current jobs along with their status and other important details. If you want to view more information about a particular job, simply click on the job to view the job details. Let's walk through the process of a new customer contacting you through the app. When the customer texts your SERV phone number, they will be prompted to fill in their details by our smart autoresponder, personalized to your business. We intake all of their information, including their name, contact information, and a brief description of the job they need done. Once the customer has filled in their job details, the job will appear in your job screen. You can review the job details and issue an estimate for the job. Once the customer accepts the estimate, they can pay directly through the app. Let's talk about managing your team efficiently. With SERV, you can easily see who's on the app and coordinate with them seamlessly. Effective team collaboration is crucial for success. SERV enables smooth communication, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. There you have it, the SERV app, your ultimate business tool. Streamline your operations, save time, and elevate your customer service. Embrace the future of service management with SERV. Sign up today and unlock your business's true potential. Thank you for joining our demo. If you have any questions or want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. See you next time.